Hello and welcome to the Rema farm. This is Rema coming to you with a new video. As you have seen below, we are going to be doing a FLEXI-ROD set. So guys, if you thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, you're so much welcome. If you're already a subscriber and you're coming back again, thank you so much. If you are new, kindly consider subscribing and join the family. We also do I also do shout out at the end of every video. Kindly consider turning on your post notification bell and comment bell down below, so also you can receive my notifications whenever I post. And I post every Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays. So without further ado, I'm going to first moisturize my hair because it was a bit dry, and as you have seen, I just sprayed my hair with some water and just to make it a little damp, and then I went in with my black castor oil with some little bit of lavender just to keep it a little bit moisturized. And today I was going for a side part, and that is what I'm going to be doing. And you guys, the number of times I raise my eyes, pardon me. So I was just getting my side part perfectly, and I was separating the rest of my hair with my fingers because I felt like the comb would be too harsh on my hair. And for this style, I will be using my mousse, my Cantu natural hair wave whip curling mousse. So why I'm going for the mousse is because it dries faster and it has some oils in it, as well as it has moisture and also some oils in it. Like, it's not watery and it's not oily at the same time, so it keeps the hair moisturized and also dries quickly, rather because I've used water and maybe oil or maybe a leave-in conditioner with such kind of styles. And because I am rolling my hair on the FLEXI-ROD, like, the outside will be dry, but the inside will be moist by or wet in the morning, and you will not get the perfect look that you are looking for. So I'm going in with the purple FLEXI-RODs. I know they are big for my hair, but you know what, this is what I had, and I really have never done a FLEXI-ROD, and I was so excited to do it. And I was taking a bigger part, and also going in with my Afro comb, or you can also go in with a big tooth comb. And I'm also going in with my detangling brush, And you see, like you've seen, I'm separating that part into two. And my good God, like these flexi rods were so painful because I didn't know the angle to really put them in my head or how to place it on my head. Like it took me, I guess, 3/4 of my head to master a technique that won't hurt my hair, because you can see in the front it's too tight, but in the middle it wasn't tight, so I had to keep on trying until at least I got the better angle. And it was painful and hectic at the same time. And now I'm all done. I think I had 15 of these flexi rods. So yeah, that's it. So it is very important to wrap your head so that it doesn't unravel while you're sleeping, regardless of whether you're using a satin pillow or not. Now it's the next morning. I was all prepared, and I'm sorry guys, maybe I wasn't at a good place because there was so much sun, and I really didn't want my video to be like the one for the straw set, so I wanted you to see my face but not the sun on my face. And right now I'm just removing the flexi rod one by one. I wanted to start with the front, but I was not able, so I went for the back. Now I'm almost done, but as you guys saw, like I was so disappointed. Like, yes, the hair was stretched, but like I was waiting for curls. Oh my God, I mean, like seriously, as in the curls are just on my edges. Is it? No, my ends, but my roots, I don't know even what to say. Like I was so, I thought if I would separate them one by one it could look better, but I'm just gonna you're just gonna see how it's going to look at the end of the day. And you know, like they say, when life gives you lemons, you gotta make lemonade out of it, and this was that time. Like, I'm not kidding you guys, I was so disappointed because I was going to church and I was so hyped up to just rock some curls in my hair. But I am glad that I found a new way of stretching my hair. Like these flexi rods like do wonders. They do wonders, but oh my God, just look at how they look. I am so disappointed right now. I am so disappointed. I know they were too big for me, but that's what I had. But they're better. They're way easier to manage than the straws because I go for big parts. So after combing my hair with the white tooth comb, this is what came out. I'm loving the stretch. By the way, you guys will never see my hair when it is stretched, but I am loving this. Today's shout out goes to Sonique Mario. Thank you for subscribing and turning on your post notification bell. If you want a shout out next time, please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and comment bell down below. It has been a pleasure. Thank you so much, Rema Fam. See you next time.